Joint mobility, Atlas lunges. Targeting the hip flexors, take a long step forward, focusing on your pelvic tilt, which will intensify the stretch through the hip flexor. You won't be able to keep your knee straight in the back leg, but you want to strive to keep it as straight as you can without arching into the lower back. So the pelvic tilt is more important. From there, lunge forward, making sure the front leg can maintain full contact on the ground. Twist over the lead leg and reach back. Step up, switch legs. Set the pelvis, lunge forward, twist over the lead leg, lean back and reach.